Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, nearly. Nearly, come on. Hey guys, welcome back, and we're at the Sheep Calf Trails. We haven't been here in ages. And before I start, a massive thank you to all those for the kind words after slipping and hurt my ankle on Friday. And yeah, we're all well now, and we're back on the trail. And today we've got the MN86 KS kit, and I paired it up with the WPL RES 3. Now, is this going to be any good or not on the trail? The RES 3, I highly rate it, but this has a bigger 390 motor, and I think it struggles slightly with draw current. So yeah, we'll test it out on the trail. So a cool little feature, if I push the gear change button, that'll initiate the drag brake. So coming down the descent, yeah, it's going to hold nice. So yeah, let's hit the trail, guys. It's been a while, and yeah, this thing really does look the part. Highly recommend the 86s, guys. They're available in kits and ready to run now as well. So yeah, if you pick up the KS ready to run, you get the better motor, the bearings, rear lights as well. I've noticed. Yeah, there's a lot of extras you get for the same price, but yeah, these are really nice looking trail tracks. So as you can see there, squeezed. Can you hear that squeaking? I think the RES 3 is designed, like I said, for a 370 motor, not a high turn 390 motor. And yeah, it's really showing. The control is still there, but like I said, I don't think we've got enough draw current there to actually get full potential out of this motor. The other key I built is running a Hobbywing 1060, and there is more than enough power going to the motor. With that said, up on the trail, it's doing pretty well, straight up. So yeah, I won't be doing any rock crawling with this setup. Perfect for the trail. Nice control there. Really does look the part. Fair play to them, man. So we're gonna have to take our time here. Really tricky little passage. It's been a while since we've been here, guys, but yeah. Oh, nice control. Really nice. And here we are, guys, back at the rocky riverbed. The slippery slope on the other side really does look unpassable, but yeah, that's not going to stop us from trying, guys. So about here now on this descent, we should see that drag brake in action. Oh ho 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 ho, oh ho ho, nearly, come on. Yes, I didn't get it on camera. No. Hooked up on something. There we go. Just got enough power there to actually get me over the rocks, but I can feel it struggling. It almost feels like a ready to run, where just the electronics are not giving enough draw current. So come on, let's find a way through. There we go. Okay, the slippery slope. I think wheel speed's going to be my friend here today, guys. Yes, amen, straight up. Well, I was not expecting that. Fair play. Pretty capable little truck. So far, so good, guys. Like I keep mentioning, it is a little bit underpowered. But, yeah, the RES 3 isn't designed for this motor and gearbox, but it's handling really well, considering. Perfect for the trail. Like I said, I won't be taking this rock crawling. Haha, little tractor. Okay, guys, so I've hit the low voltage cutoff with a 500 milliamp hour battery. Yeah, I literally had about 15 minutes out of that. So I think the 390 motor, yeah, it really isn't suited for these RES 3 electronics. And while we're here, I want to mention something that I really don't like about this model, and that's the battery tray. It is so awkward. It is like it's like a little finger puzzle. And the reason I'm running 500 milliamps today instead of bigger ones is because, yeah, I can't get 1500 milliamp in there to fit. It is, yeah, it's a really tight fit, really awkward. Okay, fresh battery, time for the tricky tree line. I've turned the drag brake on, so that should give us some control down the descents. Ooh, steady does it. Ooh. Hey, nice and controlled. That held very well, fair play. The departure angle on the front is pretty shallow. Caught up on the fake winch here, guys. I am stuck. Ah, oh! Fail. Okay, so I keep having issues as well where it keeps cutting out. I don't know if it's a motor protection, the V3. And that is the throttle pin, as you can see, it's cut out there. So yeah, I don't recommend the Res 3 for this truck, guys, as yeah, it's slightly bit underpowered, which is a big surprise to me. As yeah, it's one of the best performing electronic kits currently for the WPLs, but yeah, it doesn't seem to like that bigger engine. We've cut out again, look. We're at the famous tree line at the end here, guys, but yeah, things don't always work out to plan, and hopefully, if you're watching this video, yeah, hopefully, yeah, I recommend going for maybe a 1060 with this setup if you're building the kit. But it's always good to test and see how things work. If we don't try, we'll never know. There we go, cut out again, look. Come on, and it's cut out again. Look. Oh wow. Okay. So there we have it, guys. The MN86 KS with Res 3. Yeah, I really don't recommend. I can't physically get myself out of here now. It's jammed up. Come on. Hey. Oh, yeah, that pretty much sums it up. So there you have it, guys. The MN86 KS kit with the Res 3. And sometimes, yeah, things don't always work out as you think they do. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys decide what electronics you want. I'm all for the Res 3, but I do not recommend it for this this truck in particular. But yeah, there you have it, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.